Earlier today, we were at a chicken party. A chicken party where they serve chicken with Parmesan. Sometimes some steamed broccoli at the party. 4th of July for the taste buds. Pew, pew.
That was moist chicken. I've never had chicken that moist. Like, seriously, I don't know how she got it to be moist.
Well, and there was Parmesan on top.
Unless it goes to your butt, and I guess then eventually it could come out and fart or something and talk that way.
Shoot, I need to write
My butt would be the smartest thing
I need to write
ever.
this dissertation, then I need an ice cream and add a frickin' novel.
I know. Give me a snack bar of sugar. What?
I gotta line my bangs off. I don't know, I think I love you. Ooh, sex
Really?
hair.
That's hot.
I'm a fashion designer
That's hot.
until a minute ago.
I like it.
My cooter just buzzed.
I told you you'd always talk.
No.
Thank you. And then
No one can have my pepper. I'm not obsessive at all.
Taco Bell. You want some McDonald's?
Fries.
You want something new fries? I don't.
You want
get
some
this.
chicken on Parmesan?
Yeah, chicken on Parmesan. Do you want a dog? Do you want a cat?
So we know a chick who lives,
Pretty
kinda
close.
nearby.
Pretty close.
We just visited, you kind of have to get in good. But she will hook you up with some chicken, yo. She will hook you up. There may be some broccoli. You will have to warn her, but she'll hook you up. Ask him if he likes pizza. If he does, say no. When he says yes, say no. I love how we're pizza hangover and you prefer tacos.
I love tacos. I'm sorry, I had an affair with a taco.
We're only about 10 years away from a common law marriage and you just ruined that.
Not really. If we just keep paying our bills together, we'll be fine.
Okay. Pepper, we shall go on a road trip.
I love it.
To a land far away that we can't even imagine, like Denver. Just each fry gets saltier and saltier. My cousin and I both have the same religion. We both worship a non-existent bear named Victor.
She's pretty cool. I talked to her. She didn't know it was me, but she said she knew it was me, but I don't really know if she knew it was me.
She knew.
She knew it was me.
It was our typing styles. Because whenever Pepper texts, it's like, actual answer. Let's see. I'm going to tell you why I prefer food over people. One, food does not talk back unless it's in your tummy and it may have some lactose. 2, food sticks with you.
For life. You just got fries all over my bed.
Good. Did I really? Also, food likes to get in your bed when you ask her to.
You know.
Food, let's face it, will pleasure you more because it will shoot out more dopamine and endorphins than any dumb man. I just feel dirty eating that fry now.
Eat that fry. Eat that fry.
No, I'm just saying, because of that, if you can cook, we are getting married. Okay, it's weird when I just said my cousin, okay? I'm trying to get you some saturation while you sleep. Bang. Bang goes your health.
Yeah.
Oh, it looked like Nicki Minaj and Jessie J if they had a baby. I'm just Jessie J. I like to eat fries. Because I do it like a dude.
I do it like a dude.
I do it like a dude, and I eat tons of fries.
And I grab my crotch when I want.
Being Jessie J, I think people are stupid. They're just stupid. I'm racist.
I like white people.
Why else do I like food?
I'm burping all night. Oh my goodness. The pudding.
Derek, give me the Tootsies.
So there's all clumpies, and the sink was full, and then I'm not dealing with that. But
Right when she calms down about it, we had to talk about it.
so gross.
So more of the story, kids. Don't have friends that are allergic to lactose.
On my back. I was thinking about the pudding.
She's like, ah! And she's like laughing her head off.
Mm-hmm.
Her hat off. She had a hat.
It would have been on the floor.
It'd be like, you're laughing too hard.
I love
It
it.
sounded awesome too, at least in my head. Yes, I will kill Olive with a hanger. Why aren't we part of the X-Men yet?
Oh my goodness. It's because we're meant to be serial killers.
Do.
Grab my crotch.
Grab my head, low like you. You just want to say grab my crotch.
Be like, you can't get any because I'm a serial killer now. Destiny.
You're keeping beat with my head. Oh, excuse me.
Does that taste bad?
The thought of love makes me sick.
Yeah. That's the most attractive picture I've ever seen. That's my smile. That's my smile.
You coughed in my ear. And now I'm gonna have your ear babies.
What if I had a mustache? Would you still talk to me?
Yeah. Oh, that's not weird. That tickled. Oh, that tickled. I'm a dude. I don't want your hand herpes. It's my phone. It's called
This is
Invisible.
the highest generation of the iPhone right here.
See-through.
This is the iPhone 500.
Here, let me send a message to someone. Dear President Obama,
Yeah.
we're texting you on YouTube. Do you like pizza? Send. We got it. No.
Hobo.
Oh well.
This is our birth control. Kiss me too long, I'll make that face. This man right here.
Excuse me. Oh my god, I just did the duck face. Oh my god, I need to gouge out my own eyes. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, everyone. Your name should be Brina. Mushu pork.
Sweet sour chicken.
Fried rice.
Steamed rice.
White devil, you racist.
Wee. My arm just went now.
Can I be creepy? Your eyes look gorgeous.
Thank you.
I want to blink really loud. What?
Mm-hmm. It just hurt my wrist.
I'm sorry. I peed.
Oh my god. Again?
I'm sorry. You might have to use some bleach.
We're speaking Klingon? I'm obsessed with my teeth. Like, I just keep watching them.
You should be like, I'm not stealing anything from Warner Brothers.
Yeah.
Do it like a brother.
Do it like a dude.
Just get
Grab my
closer.
crotch. Eat your fries. Eat your fries. Oh my goodness, I actually shot people today. It's ridiculous.
Just,
Absolutely ridiculous.
just gotta call 911, that's all.
Oh my goodness, really?
Help!
Really? Really?
Don't forget to subscribe.
Do it.